Welcome to the channel. If you've ever posted a story on Facebook and found that it automatically shares to your Instagram, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the automatic sharing of your Facebook stories to Instagram. This feature is great when you want to keep your content separate, and I'll walk you through the updated steps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving forward. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on Create Story at the top left of your screen. This will bring up the screen where you can create and post a story on Facebook. Step 3. Now, look for the gear icon at the top right of your screen. Tap on it to open the settings for your Facebook story. Step 4. In the settings menu, you'll see an option called Always Share to Instagram. To disable it, simply toggle the option off. This will stop your Facebook stories from being automatically shared to your Instagram account. And that's it. You've now disabled the feature that automatically shares your Facebook stories to Instagram. This is a quick and simple way to keep your content separate and post only where you want it to appear. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.